In today's video, we're going to show you how to access your Facebook page analytics from your phone. First, simply log into the Facebook app. From here, log into the page you want to be in. You may need to scroll down a little bit until you see the red icon and page name appear above. Click on that. This will then give you the chance to click on the profile you want to switch into. From here, look for the Analytics button on the top left-hand dashboard, and this is now going to take you through to your page analytics here in Facebook. It's that easy.